Hey, this is Eric at Ed's Emporium. You probably just bought a Mosaic kit. I'm going to show you what you're going to get. So you get this little thing that you're going to build it on. We call this Wheatie board. It's actually used in the tile industry to put around bathtubs and stuff. Really, really lightweight. Works really good for glass. I have a neat little hanger on it for you already. You want to make sure that this is at the top when you get started on your stuff. All right, and then in the box, you've got some grout. You want to set that out of the way. You got a sponge you want to set out of the way. Glue we'll need here shortly. And then you also have glass. Now I'm going to go ahead and dump this glass out so you can see kind of what I got. You also have a little paintbrush that you'll use to put the glue on with if you need it. All right, so I have all this glass that I'm going to use. First thing I want to do is I need to figure out a design. Now, I decided I'm just going to kind of do an organic design. Now, when Gina did hers, she actually did it as a flower. Turned out really cool. And that was just using a bunch of different scraps. When I give you scrap, I'm just kind of giving a big mixture of stuff. So whatever you decide to do, you can do. I am going to do a series of little balls and try to do them all different colors. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I just used a top for our frit container. Because I thought it was about the right size, and then just kind of drew it. I wrote on there what colors I think I'm going to actually put in the holes, and that's kind of getting started. So my next video is going to talk about chopping up the glass. So it'll be showed up next. Thanks.